Do you take great pride in your vehicles? In fact, has your love for cars outgrown your ability to properly park them? You know that storing your cars indoors will keep them safe from vandals and protect the paint from foul weather, corrosive agents, harmful UV rays, pollen, tree sap, and, well, you know. But it's not like you can just build another garage. And no, you probably can't use your latent psychic abilities to float one car over the other. But what if there was an affordable solution? A simple solution that's perfect for just about any car lover with any home. At Benpack, we're the car storage experts with half a century of experience helping folks get the maximum benefit from minimum space. The same professional lifting and parking systems you'll find in your mechanic shop are finally available for home use. Designed to fit in most residential garages, condominiums, and even apartments. Don't leave your cars outside in the cold. Bring your cars inside and live happily ever after. To learn more, check out our website at www.benpack.com or call 1-805-933-9970 to speak to a vehicle storage expert. We can't wait to help out another car lover.